Alright guys, so welcome back to another brand new video, right? So why I came for this idea to just to make a tutorial for UGC ads, right? Because that's really popular in today's world, right? So everybody is using AI, so without having people effort, you can create the UGC ads without having the people effort. So just to make a tutorial for you guys so you can do it easily, right? So let's go for the little background of it, like why it is what was happening in the past. So what if I told you that UGC ads you are seeing every day aren't created by the people in this modern era, right? Without having people, with using AI, you can do it in just minutes, right? So you don't need to have the models, no camera, no expensive setups. Everything AI can do for you, right? So in the next few minutes I'll show you that how to create the completely realistic UGC ads for free using the AI, right? So, and honestly, I'm telling you that one thing, right? By the end of this video, you will have the hard time telling whether it's AI or a real created video, right? Like a real what is meant by the real created video, like with the effort of the people, right? Creating script, having camera, having people and everything, right? So AI, as I told you earlier, AI can do anything for you without having anything, models, expensive equipment and the camera. Nothing is required. You can just do it easily with you using the AI. You can create your own AI model which will speak naturally, keeping and holding your product in his holding your products, and you can do it easily. All right, so let's get started with it.
Alright, so before we jump in, I want to mention one quick thing. In almost all of my videos, I use ready-made prompts to save time and get better results. I also share those prompts on my WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel. So if you are interested, make sure to check them out. You will also find prompts from my previous AI tutorials, including animation videos and many more useful resources, right? So you can do it. Now, let's create our very first AI model. All right, so the first thing you will be needing a prompt. Simply copy the prompt and head over to the Google Gemini. Click to create image, then choose the Pro option if it's available, because it usually gives much better quality of results. Now paste the prompt into the Gemini prompt box and wait for the few seconds while it generates your AI model. Just like that, your AI influencer is ready. Download the image and take a look at the results. Honestly, it's look incredibly realistic. If you want to change the outfit, pose, or facial expressions, or even the nationality of the model, don't worry. I will have prepared prompt for all these, and we will go through them one by one. Let's start by change the outfit. Copy the outfit prompt and paste into the Google Gemini. Remove the unnecessary part of the prompt and keep only the section that controls the clothing. For example, I will replace it with the wearing a trendy luxury evening dress. Now press enter. Within 15 to 20 seconds or sometime even faster, Gemini will generate the updated version. If you are happy with the results, simply download it. If you are not, just replace the outfit description with the style you prefer, generate it again, and download the version you like most. Now let's change the pose of the model. Simply copy the prompt and paste into the Gemini and press enter. Give it a few seconds and you can see the model remains exactly the same. The outfit stays the same. Only the pose is the pose of the model has been changed, which is exactly what we wanted. Everything looks clean, natural, and realistic. Next, let's change the facial expressions of the model. Copy the facial expressions prompt and paste into the Google Gemini. For example, I want model to have the natural laugh. I will paste the instruction and press enter. After a few seconds, Gemini update only the facial expressions while keeping everything else consistent. The results looks very natural and makes the model feels much more realistic. Now let's change the nationality of the model. Copy the first part of the prompt and paste into the Gemini. Then copy the nationality lines and replace it with the look you want. For example, I'm choosing Middle Eastern appearance. Paste into the Gemini and generate the image. You will notice that outfit remains the same. The pose of the model is also same. The facial expression also stays the same. Only the face changes according to the nationality you selected. And then how easily you can create your own AI model exactly the way you want. It's simply flexible and incredibly powerful. Now, so far you learned how to create your first AI model from scratch. I have created the prompt for additional poses like the mirror selfie, walking confidently, and hand on hip pose, and even the candid laughing pose. Simply type the pose you want, like the pose of the model, and Google Gemini will generate it for you. The same process also works for the facial expressions. Whether you want a soft smile or a serious, it's kind of a serious look, or a playful wink, you can generate them in the exactly the same way. And if you do like the model to represent a different country or region, simply you just need to update the face nationality prompt and generate a new version. Now, if you are completely satisfied with the AI model you generated, or then we can go for the next step. But if you are not completely satisfied with the AI model you generated, don't worry. There's another simple method you can use. Open a new tab, go to the Pinterest, click on the official website, sign into the Google account. Once you are on the home page, you will see plenty of the inspiration for AI model and the products. In the search bar, type AI influencer and press enter. You will find the wide variety of the AI style models. Browse through them and choose the one you like the most. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this one. Open the image, click on three dots and download it. Now let's head back to the Google Gemini. Just click on the create image, then click on the plus icon and upload the AI model you created earlier. After click the plus icon again and upload the Pinterest image you just downloaded. Now paste this prompt. Use green dressed woman. Do not change face. Copy the pose of the model, body position and the camera angle exactly from white dressed woman. Face must stay 100% same as a green dressed woman. Realistic, high quality photo. I will also provide this prompt so you can copy and use it directly. Now hit the enter. Within a few seconds, Gemini will generate the new image. Take a look and at the results. The camera angle looks great. The facial expressions is clean and the natural. There is very slight head tilt, but honestly it still looks fantastic. Now let's try another example. Go back to the Pinterest and choose other pose that you like. Download the image, return to the Google Gemini. First upload the AI model you generated earlier, then upload a new Pinterest reference image. Paste the same prompt. This time simply replace the reference from other woman to white dressed woman. The reason for doing this is very simple. It helps Gemini it helps Gemini clearly understand which image should be used as the pose reference, preventing any confusion during the generation. Now press enter. After a few seconds, you will get the new result. As you can see, the model is now laying down with one hand resting under her chin. The pose look completely natural while the face remain consistent. Go ahead and download the image. This is really a useful trick whenever you want to change the pose or outfit while keeping the exact same AI model. Now our AI model is ready. It's time for the next exciting part, bringing the product up. Now open the Pinterest once again. This time search for the product you do like to promote. For example, I'll search for the skincare product. Pinterest will show you plenty of the high quality product images. If you already have one product image, you can skip this step. Otherwise, simply choose one from the Pinterest. While selecting the product, make sure it clearly visible on the, preferably has little or no background. For this tutorial, I am choosing the vitamin sum. Download the project like the product image. Now go back to the Google Gemini, upload your AI model, then upload the product image. Now type this simple instruction: use screen rest movement to hold the product which is in image 2. Press enter. Within a few seconds, Gemini generate a brand new image, and honestly, the result looks incredibly realistic. The model is holding the exact same product and everything blends together naturally. Download the image because we will use it for the video generation step. Now our model is ready. The next thing, we need a dialog. Open a new tab, search for your product name followed by a product description. For example, sweet chef beet vitamin shot. Product description. Open a product page and copy the description. Now open ChatGPT. Type something like, I am creating an advertisement for the product Beet Plus Vitamin Serum. Here is the product description. Paste the description, then continue with, now create several engaging hook lines for the advertisement. Alright, so press enter. ChatGPT will generate multiple hook lines based on the product features. Read through them carefully and choose the one that fits your style the best. Right, once you have selected your favorite dialogue, we will move on to the turning into the talking AI video. Now it's time to bring your AI model to life. Open a new tab, search for the Google Flow, click on the official website. Once you are inside, simply drag the image of your AI model and holding the product. Now paste the dialog you selected from the ChatGPT, the one you want your AI model to say. Give Google Flow in few seconds to analyze the image. Once everything is ready, click on the banana and select the video. Next, change the aspect ratio 9:16, which is preferred for the YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. You will notice different video generation option. If you choose VEO 3.1 quality, it costs around 100 credits. To save the credits, I'm going with the VEO 3.1 fast, which only cost 20 credit while still delivering the great results. Once everything is set, click on the generate. Your AI video will now start rendering. Depending on your interest, speed, and several loads, it usually takes around 10 to 20 seconds. And just like that, your first AI UGC video is ready. Let's play it.
Our chilies are ours Bulgarians. A pink serum points. A pink serum your skin will fall in love with.
The results looks amazing. The lip sync is smooth. The facial movement feels natural, and the overall video looks, surprisingly realistic. Go ahead and download the video right now. The video is around 8 seconds long. If you want longer ad, you don't have to start over. Simply click on the video timeline and drag it to the end and select extend. Now Go back to the chat GPT, copy the next line you want, paste into Google Flow. Then copy another sentence and paste that as well. Click generate once again. After a few moments, your extended clip will be ready. Let's watch the final results.
Our chilies are ours Baldrids, a pink serum points. A pink serum your skin will fall in love with. I tried this for 7 days. Here's what happened.
As you can see, the extension blends smoothly with the first clip. Now your video has increased from 8 seconds to approximately 16 seconds, making it much better for social media ads. Download the video, like the completed video. You need to download it. Just download the video. You can repeat the exact process to create as many AI UGC ads as you want. Now you know exactly how to create the realistic AI UGC ads without hiring models, without using camera, and without spending money on expensive production. So AI made your life so easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you give the video make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I regularly share practical AI tutorial that can help you to create better content faster. Also, don't forget to check out my WhatsApp and Telegram channel, where I share all the prompts used in the video along with the additional resources you won't find anywhere else. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep creating. Bye bye.